Welcome to Immigration Insight number 5. I'm your host Kishore, and today we have Shah Peerally from the Shah Peerally Law Group. We are diving into an important topic. What happens when someone enters the United States on a visitor visa, overstays, and then marries a US citizen? Shah, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Kishore. It's great to be here.
Today, we'll illustrate a typical conversation between you and a client who finds themselves in this situation. Let's say our client Maria entered the United States on a visitor visa but overstayed and recently got married to a US citizen. Maria, why don't you tell us a bit about your situation?
Hi Shah, I came to the United States a year ago on a visitor visa, but I've overstayed my welcome. I just married my boyfriend, who is a US citizen, and I'm really worried about my immigration status. What should I do?
Hi, Maria. First of all, congratulations on your marriage. I understand your concerns, and it's normal to feel anxious. The good news is that your marriage to a US citizen can help you adjust your status, even though you overstayed your visa.
But will my overstay affect my application for a green card?
It's a common concern. In your case, because you are married to a US citizen, the fact that you overstayed your visa typically doesn't bar you from adjusting your status. However, we need to ensure you follow the right steps to avoid complications.
How long does the process take?
The timeline can vary based on your location and the current processing times at the USCIS office. Typically, it can take anywhere from 8 to 14 months. I recommend being patient but proactive about gathering your documents.
What if I get called for an interview? What should I expect?
During the interview, both you and your spouse will be asked questions to verify the authenticity of your marriage. It's important to be honest and consistent in your answers. We can prepare you for this interview to ensure you're comfortable and confident.
That sounds helpful. Will I need to leave the US during this process?
Generally, no. Since you're married to a US citizen and have filed for adjustment of status, you should be able to remain in the US while your application is processed. However, it's crucial not to travel outside the US until you have received advanced parole, or you might risk being unable to return.
That's a relief to hear.
For anyone listening who might find themselves in a similar situation, how can they reach out for help?
You can contact the Shah Peerally Law Group at 50-742-5887 or reach us via WhatsApp at +1 279 218 7093. You can also visit our website at www.peerallylaw.com for more information and resources.
Thank you, Shah, for this insightful conversation, and thank you, Maria, for sharing your experience. Remember, everyone, navigating immigration law can be challenging, but you're not alone. Reach out to the Shah Peerally Law Group for assistance. That's it for today's episode of Immigration Insight. Be sure to tune in next time for more discussions on immigration topics that matter to you.